Google just quietly dropped an update inside NotebookLM, and most people scrolling past it right now have no idea what it actually means. Picture the most boring PDF sitting on your computer right now, the one you keep telling yourself you'll read someday. What if that PDF could turn into a 60-second video you'd actually watch on your phone, made for you in minutes, with zero effort from you? That's not a hypothetical anymore. That's real. And it happened this week. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, so quick context in case you've never touched this tool. NotebookLM is a free tool from Google. You drop your sources into it, PDFs, Google Docs, web links, even ebooks now, and it reads all of it. Then it can answer questions, summarize it, or turn it into learning tools. Think of it like a study buddy, except this study buddy only knows the exact documents you gave it. It's not pulling random stuff off the internet. It sticks to your sources, which is a huge deal if you actually care about accuracy and not just some AI making things up to sound smart. And that's really the whole appeal of this tool. It's grounded. You feed it your own material, and everything it gives you back is tied to that material. That's very different from just asking a chatbot a question and hoping it doesn't hallucinate an answer. Now, here's the news. On June 30th, 2026, Google added a feature called Short Video Overviews, and the tagline they used honestly says it all: doom scrolling, but make it educational. And that's exactly what it is. It takes your most complex sources, the stuff you'd normally have to sit and read for 20 minutes, and turns it into a 60-second vertical video. The kind you'd watch like a reel or a TikTok, except instead of some random creator, it's your own material explained back to you with narration and animations done automatically. And here's what's interesting about this. It's not the only thing that changed in this update. Flashcards inside NotebookLM now save your progress across sessions, so you can mark a card as got it or missed it, shuffle the deck, and come back later to only run the ones you got wrong. That's a small thing on paper, but if you actually use this tool to study or learn, that changes how useful it is day to day. And infographics got an upgrade too. You can now choose from styles like sketchnote, professional, scientific, anime, clay, or bento grid, or just let the AI pick the best one for you based on your sources. So let's get into the video part specifically, because this is where it gets kind of crazy. Inside the studio panel, there's a video overview section, and you now get 3 format choices. There is cinematic, which is the rich, immersive one with fancy visuals and storytelling built for when you want the full experience. There's explainer, which is a structured, comprehensive overview that connects the dots across all your sources, more like a documentary breakdown. And now there's short, the new one, roughly 60 seconds, built to grab the key concepts fast without any of the fluff. A couple things you need to know here. Cinematic and Short only support English right now, and they're only available to Google AI Ultra and Pro subscribers who are 18 or older. And that fun visual style picker I mentioned earlier with the watercolor and kawaii and anime looks, that's for the other formats, not for cinematic or short. So don't go hunting for it there, it just won't show up. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's the part most people are going to skip past, but it actually matters. Under the hood, these short videos run on a new Google model called Nano Banana 2 Lite. I know, funny name, but the reason it matters is speed. It's built to generate images in about 4 seconds, and that's the whole trick that makes this format work at all. A 60-second video needs a lot of visuals generated fast, one after another, so Google specifically built a fast, lighter model just to make that possible. This is a pattern you're going to see more and more of it in AI. It's not always about building one giant model that does everything. Sometimes it's about building a smaller, faster model that's really good at one specific job. And that's exactly what's happening here. So think about what this unlocks in real life. You've got one of those dense reports sitting in your inbox that you've been avoiding for a week. You drop it into NotebookLM, and in a few minutes, you've got a 60-second video giving you the gist before you even commit to reading the whole thing. You go from raw information to a clear takeaway without slogging through pages of text first. That's real time saved, not some theoretical productivity hack. But I want to be straight with you here, because this isn't magic. These videos are only as good as what you feed them. Garbage in, garbage out. That's still true even with AI this advanced. If you dump one messy PDF and 10 random links into a notebook, you're going to get a flashy 60 seconds that completely misses the point. So curate your sources first, then generate. And just like the audio overviews NotebookLM already had, the narration can smooth over details or overstate things sometimes. So don't go quoting one of these clips in a serious report without checking the original source first. Use it as a hook to get you interested, not as the final word on anything. And honestly, the real story here isn't the short video by itself. It's that NotebookLM now gives you 4 completely different ways to consume the same information from one single notebook. Text summaries, audio overviews that sound like a podcast conversation, longer cinematic style videos, and now these short vertical ones. Some people learn best by listening, some need to see it, some just want to read it fast and move on. You build a notebook once and you pull whatever format actually fits the moment you're in without redoing any of the work. One heads up on the rollout though at launch, this is only for Google AI Ultra and Pro subscribers on web and mobile, English only 18 and up. Google has said free users are coming soon, but it's rolling out gradually over the coming weeks, not all at once. So even if you're already paying for a subscription, you might not see the short option in your studio panel on day one. If it's not there yet, just give it a little time and check back. This is exactly the kind of shift I keep telling you about. AI tools aren't just getting smarter, they're getting faster and more accessible, and the gap between people who actually use this stuff and people who ignore it is only going to get wider from here. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.